Hi viewers, today we are going to learn how to install Ubuntu over our VirtualBox. If you are not having VirtualBox, in the description I mentioned how to install the VM. So let's open any browser. So for me open, okay, then search Ubuntu download. Ubuntu download. Click on the first link of Ubuntu official site. Over here, you can see download 24.04.1 LTS. Just click on the button. It will download automatically over your system. I already downloaded and have the file in my system. Let's go back to VM. Click on New and look in the pop-up box. So in the down, type and versions are related to Windows. In the name section, when I am going to write Ubuntu, it changes to Linux and Ubuntu 64-bit. Okay, so Ubuntu 24 dot 04 and .01. No, it is I think 1. Yes, 1. Then click next. Next. On hardware sections, as per our requirement, we can set the base memory size as well as number of processors. For me, it is to click next. In hard disk section, we allocate the disk size, let it be 100 GB, which is my requirement as of now. For you, maybe it's different. Click next. In summary sections, we can see the details, whatever we set up in previous steps. Check the machine folder section, location in my Windows folder. Yeah, it's correct. Okay, so now click on finish. Ubuntu initial setup is now available over VirtualBox. Before starting the machine, we do some initial setup. Click on setting. In general, we can check the name, type and version details. Okay, now advanced, share and drag both should be bidirectionals to make easy communication between Windows and the VM. Okay, now system display same. So let's go to the storage section. Click on empty IDE 1, then optical drive drop down, choose a disk file, go to the folder wherever you downloaded the file, right? Yes, this one you download in the folder, right? Yeah, just click select and open that. So now click OK. Yeah, so click OK. Yeah, so all looks fine. Let's get into the machine. Click on start button. Okay, so it will take a couple of minutes to power up the machine. So yeah, starting. Yeah, now select the first option, try or install Ubuntu. Select that one, enter. Okay, we will wait a few minutes for the final preparations of installation. Okay, now yeah, so the final preparation of installation is going to start. So it will take another few minutes. Now select English as per my language preference. Click on next. Okay, then essentially Ubuntu next. English US, yeah, next. Use wide connection, yes, yeah, next. Skip for now. Install Ubuntu, yes, next. Then default selection, next. select both one. Okay, yeah, next. Yeah, what are the default one? Next. Yeah, create your account. So give your name, whatever your name you wish to is for. Okay, computer name, yes, JDBM my name is. Then give the password. It will show the strong one. Same password you can confirm. Okay, okay, it is confirmed. Next. So what is the next one? Yeah, so select for me India, Mumbai. For you maybe another country, so select as for that one. Click on next. Now click on install. So it will take a few minutes for the installation. After the installation, restart the Ubuntu. Okay, whenever, okay, so restart that one. It will take another few minutes. It is a longer process, don't worry. So if you're having any doubt, you can ask me over the comment section. Okay, yeah, powering up, tuk 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 tuk. Yeah, so whatever you mention your computer name, it's showing here, right? Click on that, enter the password whatever you set up. Okay, after entering the password, enter. Yeah, the welcome page is open. Click next. Then next. Skip for now. Yes, next. No, don't share system data. Okay, I don't want to do that one. Then click on finish. Let's open the terminal. Okay, you can see the Ubuntu desktop is not as like full size, right, like desktop. So for this we need to run a couple of commands. Open the terminal and we're going to write down a couple of commands for that one. So let's spin to dash and maximize the terminal and write down the command sudo apt update. Okay, enter and give your system password. Okay, okay, then after that we are going for the second command, which is very important. Okay, sudo apt install build essentials space dkms. Okay, again space linux dash header dash dollar bracket start u name space dash minus r close enter. It's going to install tools which build essentials and then linux headers. Once the installation finishes, then what we need to do, just click the device option on your VM menu tab bar, then click on insert guest edition CD image, which is going to mount this CD, okay, in your Ubuntu. Now we are going to CD into the media section. For let's give the command cd media username, for my name is jdvm, then virtualbox guest edition command by default will come. Okay, now do ls and give the command autorun.sh, enter. It's going to install guest editions. Here give your Ubuntu system password and enter. After few minutes we are able to see the message. Okay, yes, press okay, then do exit and restart the machine. Okay, now restart the machine, click, then restart. Yes, click on restart. Yes, restart. Okay, so our machine is going to restart, you know, right? When they're going to restart again, it will show your machine name over here, right? So my name is JDVM, maybe you are something else. So JDVM, yes, enter, give your password and enter. Okay, now your machine is ready to use. Okay, chalo. Okay, thank you guys.